What kinds of things do you need to get rid of? Story 1. Oh boy, I decided it was finally time to declutter my apartment last Saturday. You wouldn't believe the amount of stuff I found. There was this corner in my living room, right? Packed with books I never read, old DVDs, and a bunch of cables for gadgets I don't even own anymore. And my closet? A total disaster zone. Clothes I haven't worn in ages, thinking maybe they'd come back in style. Spoiler, they didn't. So, I spent the whole day sorting through everything, deciding what to keep and what to get rid of. It was exhausting, but, wow, my place feels so much lighter now. It's like I've made room for new things, not just in my apartment, but in my life too. Decluttering. Who knew it could be so refreshing? Are you a neat person or messy person? Story 2. I'd love to say I'm neat, but honestly, I'm more on the messy side. My room shows just how much I love a bit of disorder. Clothes sometimes scatter on the floor, showing off my unique style, and my books? You'll find them everywhere but the shelf. My desk is a wild mix of notes, gadgets, and yes, a half-drunk cup of coffee from yesterday. It's not that I like the mess. It's just that life gets hectic, and tidying up gets pushed aside. But, when I finally get around to cleaning, the sense of calm and neatness is incredible. I suppose it's about finding a middle ground between going with the flow of messiness and enjoying some neatness.